This is what is on the agenda today. It is a Sunday, the 6th. Organized medicine, meal prep, pack clothes. And I'm disabled, I can't work. But I'm going to show you guys how we can make this possible while being chronically ill. If you don't know, I have fibromyalgia, and I have chronic fatigue syndrome, PCOS. I also have benign hypermobility joint syndrome. This is how we are going to be able to outsmart what we need to do. So first of all, we need to wear shoes that are going to be easy on the joints. These are the ones I have right now. They are by Clark's. It's going to enable me to do a little bit more. This right here is my back brace / shaper. And I just got it as a shaper as well because I don't want anything digging into my body. Wear whatever things that you need to wear for your health to help support you physically. That's one thing. Okay, so with fibromyalgia, I have to move at least as possible in a day. I have a budget of how much I can move physically every day. This includes just sitting up, standing, brushing my teeth, washing my face, taking a shower. That's all part of the budget, and it's spending my movement budget, my health. So, kitchen is a mess. Normally, of course, you would clean it, but I don't have the health to do all that and meal prep today, which is Sunday. So I actually, before I became ill 2 years ago, I actually used to meal prep all the time, and it would be on a Sunday. I went from 233 pounds to 174 pounds. Right when I reached that, that's when I became ill, unfortunately, and I gained it all back to like 226 pounds. Right now I'm at 218 pounds about. So I'm back on the weight loss. I also learned that for me, I'm insulin resistant because I have fibromyalgia and PCOS and sleep apnea. So I'm gonna go with the low carb type of diet, keto almost, for the week. And with having to do so much, I had to change the way I meal prep to make things even easier. So that's what you guys are gonna see right now. This is what we got right here. So I'm gonna make shrimp. I'm gonna have some chicken thighs. I like shrimp and chicken thighs. And I like tilapia. That's why it's all here. I have salmon, but for some reason I've been feeling squeamish about salmon, even though it's my favorite fish. I guess it's the nausea. So I love broccoli. So we also have some different vegetable mixes. Normandy blend. My husband knows I like that. And then he got this other one as well. It's kind of like an Asian one, looks like to me. And then I found this chicken and vegetable Tuscan seasoning. Sounds delicious. So mind you, because we have the vegetables that are frozen, I don't have to cut it up or anything like that, which is what I used to do. I used to cut my stuff up and all kinds of stuff. So that's what makes it easier. Time to get that. Multiple pans. You need to preheat your oven for this. 350 is always a good one to set it to. Make sure nothing's in the oven. Yay. Okay, so one of the other things that I do to make life easier is purchase these at Sam's Club in bulk, so I don't have to do the cleaning. Okay, so I buy these in bulk, big and small. So just one thing that you guys also know, I also do even a meal prep before I meal prep, and I usually have, when I get food in bulk, divide them into freezer bags, and I'll label them what they are, and if that I've washed them already or skinned them, whatever it is, marinate them. But my husband just did this food shopping haul for me this morning, so none of this is already prepped. So since I'm trying this, I'm actually going to put the vegetables inside with this, and a lot of the juices from the chicken is also going to go on there. Chronic illness problems. Can't open simple things. I love vegetables. Directions are different, but I'm gonna make this however I want to make it, whatever's easiest for me. So as you can see, it says make it in a skillet. I'm not making it in a skillet, I'm making it like this in the oven, making my life easy. So I'm putting all of the seasoning on here, well, almost all of it, because I'll save some till later. This is how we're looking so far. This is the chicken with the Tuscan seasoning. Veggie pack. Vegetables are on the bottom. And then we also have the tilapia. What kind of seasoning are we going to put on this tilapia? Black pepper. I love black pepper. Iodized sea salt or Himalayan salt is the best salt for your body. And let's go ahead and go with some seafood seasoning. But this is actually Old Bay inside here. Garlic, and then at the end I like to put parsley for just a satisfying look. Makes your food look really good. Okay, so the oven is actually ready and preheated. Make some broccoli. The thing to like this at Sam's Club is there's not just a whole bunch of broccoli in there. They come in multiple packs inside there, divided packs. This is from Walmart, and it's just a whole bunch of vegetables straight in there. We got our Smart Balanced butter, light flaxseed oil. Another tip: disposables. Disposable everything. Butter here. Put all that in there. Another tip: have a spoon already in here. And prep things like this. That's good. Drop this in here. Oh. There. You could just mix stuff just like that. We already have hot teriyaki ready, but based on the ingredients, see, 9 grams of sugar for 1 tablespoon. So I know, good thing I'm Hawaiian, I already know how to make teriyaki. So this is what we're gonna do. This actually is low sodium soy sauce that's in here. So you need soy sauce. And it's soy sauce is salty, in case you don't know that. So you need to watch. If you add salt, you need to watch that, because you might be too salty. Yeah. Did you want me to make you some too? Okay. So there's that. There's garlic already in there, but you're gonna need more garlic. That's part of the teriyaki of it. Garlic. Want it spicy, so here are. Spiciness is also good for your digestion, but want spicy, so let's red pepper flakes. Black pepper is good for you too. So teriyaki is like sweet soy sauce with some added flavors, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add sugar, but it's gonna be stevia. So let me start off with 2 of these. You can always add more, but you can't take it out once you put it in. So that's important. So we got the shrimp already, because it doesn't take long for shrimp to cook. Another thing, my husband, he's unaware of my health. I thank him for that. So he got me the shrimp that is already peeled, deveined, right? And the tail is off. So make my life that much easier. She is Old Bay. The broccoli has a little water in there. What I like to do is to boil the water out rather than pour it out, because the flavor is in there. Sea salt. It's already garlic, plenty of garlic. So turmeric is good for inflammation, so I always like to put a little turmeric on my food, but not enough to actually change the flavor of my food. It adds nice color too. So broccoli is done. Turn that off. And this is how the shrimp is looking. Stir fry. Meal prep containers. So chicken will be cooking for a while, but the fish is done. So usually I use my scooper as a measurement so that they're equivalent in sizes. Some of this about. So I was just laying down. I literally wanted to go to sleep. But I actually cooked some more fish. This is the finished product. 2 shrimp spicy teriyaki stir fry. We have tilapia here with broccoli, and then we have a 2 one-piece of fibrofog. 2 one-pieces of tilapia and a 2-piece of tilapia, because I'll be having like a fresh salad or something with that, and this is gonna need to go in the microwave, right? So this is the chicken with the Tuscan seasoning by McCormick. Chicken thighs, and they look so good. So what you have to do is you have to let your food cool off before you put the lids on them. These are all microwavable, and I had these for years. Let them cool. Some of them will go in the freezer, some of them will be in the fridge, and I just choose it to basically what I know what I'm gonna want in the next 3 days.